Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tautog fish. First, it is important to properly prepare your tautog. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the fish, then rinse it well and pat it dry with paper towels. You can choose to cook the fish whole or fillet it, depending on its size and your preferred recipe. Tautog is known for its firm, white meat and a delicate, sweet flavor, making it a versatile choice for many dishes. Tautog is a wonderfully versatile fish that lends itself to several cooking methods. You can bake it, pan-fry it for a crispy finish, grill it, or even incorporate its firm flesh into a hearty chowder. Its robust texture means it holds up beautifully to different preparations. However, remember that tautog can become tough if overcooked, so keep a close eye on it during the cooking process. For a delicious and quick meal, pan-frying tautog is an excellent choice. Start by seasoning your fillets generously with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Next, heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or your preferred cooking oil in a skillet until it is very hot. Place the fillets in the hot pan and cook them for approximately 4 minutes on each side, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily. To truly enhance the sweet and delicate flavor of tautog, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice is a must. It brightens the fish beautifully. You can also pair it with fresh herbs such as parsley, dill, or chives for an aromatic touch. For side dishes, roasted vegetables or a simple rice pilaf make excellent companions, creating a well-rounded and satisfying meal that highlights this delicious fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.